Okay, everybody, we have with us, wow, Miss Lynn Sherman.
That's me.
Yes. Which role are you performing in Beauty and the Beast?
I played the role of Bacula Contessa. She starts out as Pinay maid, and then she becomes Latin singer. And I'm in the Wild Rice production as it is Beauty and the Beast.
It's an original production?
Yeah, it's an original production. I mean, don't think of the Walt Disney songs and stuff like that. It's totally different. It's a pantomime, and it's very interesting because they incorporate a lot of Singaporean flavor to it. So there's Pinoy stuff, there's Malay stuff, there's Chinese stuff, there's all sorts of stuff. I don't know the right terms.
Right.
There's a lot of it's about people who live here, so it incorporates the different languages.
I noticed that you used some Tagalog phrases, and that your costume had this, national turn on.
Was
it short?
The script had some Tagalog stuff in it, like
really?
Yeah, it had that na already, or talaga girlfriend. Pero yung mga iba, minsan like, well, depends. Minsan ako, ay nako, gaganyan ako. I mean, dagdag na yun.
Okay. So you have total freedom.
Also, sure, it's, people are free to just, because it's within the realm of the show.
Right.
Inject stuff, like Karen does, she injects some of her.
Okay, thanks, Lynn.